Hey y'all, and welcome to the Hillbilly Chicken Ranch. I'm Susan, your hostess. We're doing Healthy Snacks 25, hosted by Mountain Grandma, Life in the Piedmont, and Gail's Southern Living. There will be a giveaway and more to come that will be announced in the near future. There will be a list of content creators in the description box below this video, along with the official playlists. All three channels will have a playlist. What am I making today? I am making a low-carb strawberry banana shake or pudding, depending on how thick you want it to be. It will be 4 servings. The calorie content per serving will be 110 calories, 16 carbs per serving, 3 grams of fat per serving, 5 grams of protein per serving, 25 grams of sodium, and 4 grams of sugar. And it is a natural sugar. The monk fruit sweetener is actually 0 carbs and 0 sugar. I'm going to give you a list of all the ingredients, and then we're going to make this delicious treat for a low carb snack. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of frozen strawberries or fresh strawberries, 1 banana cut into chunks. I use a frozen banana, 1 tablespoon of chia seed, 4 teaspoons of monk fruit sweetener or sweetener of your choice, 1/2 cup of whole milk, 2/3 cup of Greek yogurt, and then water. I've got some water pooled, but I may put more water in here. This makes 4 servings. I'm going to start by adding to my NutriBullet my frozen strawberries and bananas. I may just use my fingers to get them off in here. Next, I'm going to add in my chia seed, and I'm going to add into my monk fruit sweetener. I'm going to add in my Greek yogurt. It looks full, but it's not that full yet. I'm going to go ahead and add in my 1/2 cup of milk. We're going to attach our top. We're going to start this process. Make sure you got that top on there good and tight. I'm a little messy, but that's okay. And there is your strawberry shake. It's 4 servings, and it is delicious. While we're waiting on those chia seeds to absorb some of that liquid in our shake, I want to share with you some of the benefits of this drink. Strawberries are a healthy choice for diabetics. It contains vitamin C, potassium, folate, manganese, magnesium, iron, and vitamin A. It's rich in antioxidants. It contains fiber, which promotes digestive health. It is a glycemic index of 40. High fiber content moderate blood sugar levels, and they will rise slowly. So strawberries is a very good thing for diabetics to eat as a fruit. Bananas are a healthy source of fiber, potassium, vitamin B6, vitamin C, antioxidants, phytonutrients. The riper the banana, the better. If you eat an unripe banana, you're going to get higher carbs. And if you eat a very ripe banana, the carbs are actually lowered. The glycemic index falls between 42 and 58, depending on where the ripeness of your banana. Bananas are high content of resistant starch and fiber, which explains the low glycemic index. The resistant starches are fermented in your large intestines, and I did not get the glycemic, I did get the glycemic index. Greek yogurt is a rich source of protein, B12 and B2 riboflavin, vitamin A, B5, which is pantothenic acid, phosphorus, zinc, selenium, and probiotics. It has a GI or glycemic index of 10 to 12. It slows down the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream. Got a couple more to give you. I use whole milk, that is with the cream. 100% whole raw milk is what I use, but you can use whatever milk that you choose to use. It has 8 grams of protein, calcium, vitamin D, potassium, phosphorus, vitamin A. It has a glycemic index of 31. Low impact on the blood sugar load is 1.6 for whole milk. Can y'all imagine that? 1.6 glycemic load. Whole milk is typically lower in the glycemic index than skim milk. You would think skim milk would be lower, but it's actually because of the high fat content of whole milk that lowers and slows down the absorption of the carbs. Chia seed has a glycemic index of 30. It is rich in fiber, omega-3s, healthy fats, manganese, phosphorus, copper, selenium, iron, magnesium, and calcium. It lowers rapid blood sugar spikes. It is heart healthy, immune support, and bone health, and it contains antioxidants as well. The chia seeds have 0 carbs. I'm not chia seeds. The monk fruit sweetener that I use has 0 carbs and 0 calories, and it is a good option because it's an all-natural option as well. I would like to thank Tammy at Mountain Grandma, Tina at Life in the Piedmont, and Gail with Gail Southern Living for hosting this wonderful Healthy Snacks 25 collaboration. Our chia seeds have been soaking or absorbing that wonderful liquid, and you want to make sure your chia seeds are hydrated before you consume them. So we're going to give this a taste. It is absolutely delicious. It will carve those sugar cravings that you might be having, and it's all natural. Everything in this is a natural product, and I can't express it enough. Organic, natural. Thank you, my friends, for watching, and may you be fully blessed. And by the way, The recipe will also be in the description box below this video.